Here we are working on a 2012 Jeep Wrangler, installing fog lights. We have some OEDRO fog lights with halo rings that we're going to toss in here. This is what it looks like outside of the box. It has two wires, one that plugs into your factory harness, the black one here, and then the yellow one you hotwire into your turn signals, so the halo ring works as a turn signal. So, main thing you do, it's really simple process. The fog light here has 4 screws holding it in. You undo the 4 screws and just pull off the plug. Simple as that for uninstallation. Installation is just as easy. Unfortunately enough, I already lost my 4 screws. So I'm going to use zip ties to hold it in. They'll hold it in just as tight. So you take your fog light, you put it up in the hole. You have 2 holes on top, 1 on the bottom. Make sure for 2 holes on top. Go on top when you install it. And you just stick it right on in there. Then you're going to take your zip ties and run those through to hold it in place. When you're lining up the holes, make sure you line up the upper holes with the zip ties or screws. That way all 4 holes line properly. Go. Fog light is in its spot. You can see here. Next, all you have to do is take the factory plug, plug it on in. There are little tabs, so it will only plug in one direction with your factory plug. And to get your fog lights to work, all you have to do, like I said, is tap into your existing blinker. Just pull off a little piece of a wire Take the yellow wire, stick it right on through, twist it together, tape it up, and you will then have working turn signals for your halos. I'll turn on the fog light now to show you what it looks like all powered up and show you the turn signal. There's the fog light powered up. And now to show you the turn signal. And there's the halo lit up as a turn signal. Only reason it's doing a hyper flash right now is because I did not hook back up the factory turn at the moment, just to show you a clear shot of what it looks like. Thank you very much for watching and hope that helps.